What's going on, guys? Josh up here with Lebanon Ford Performance. So you've seen me kind of plugging some new teasers on a new system coming that we decided to bring back for 2018. We started the year with a top-mounted Hellion kit. We have Roush, we have Whipple, we have ProCharger, and now we are going to finish the 2018 model year with Hellion once more, but we're going to be using the sleeper system, and it's going to be $39,995 with the car, 300A 2018 manual GT, built here at LFP, tuned by Palm Beach Dyno. Makes 700 to the wheel out of a Hellion sleeper system. These things are going to be absolute killers on the street. I cannot wait. We've already sold our very first one to a close friend of mine, and he's going to be building a monster here on a 2018 vehicle very, very soon. So I'm very excited. It's going to be a blast. Check it out. We've got 2 more kits coming that are available for sale right now. 2018 Mustang GT with this 800 crank horsepower twin turbo system for $39,995. Check it out.